Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Winter Gnomes mystery pens. These were released in October of 2024 and are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pens in each box. These are an open edition collection, but they won't be around much past December, so it's almost like they're a limited release. The pen designs feature Mickey and friends dressed like garden gnomes, and they have scarves pulled up and covering about half of their face. Super awesome designs. This is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Stitch, Winnie the Pooh, Goofy, Donald, and Daisy. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total, and I would like to complete this entire collection. I usually like to complete all of the holiday collections because once they're gone, you can't get them anymore. So it's better to just complete them as quickly as you can. I did get these 5 boxes from a park pickup person from Walt Disney World, so that's where these 5 boxes are from. So let's get into these. See what we get in box 1. So we have our 2 bags. These feel very good size. I wasn't quite sure on the size, but they look, oh, these are big. So I'm looking at the back. I don't know if we'll be able to tell the difference from the back, but our first pen is Winnie the Pooh. Nice, so we have Winnie the Pooh there with the scarf covering his mouth and most of his nose, and he has some honey on the top of his head with some bees. That's pretty cool. I like that one. I didn't notice the honey and the bees from the box art. So let's see what we get with pen 2. Well, okay, we can tell a few of them from the back because I can already tell by this person who has big ears, and it is Stitch. You can definitely see Stitch's ears from the back. So we have Stitch with his blue scarf, and then he has a hat that is Lilo's dress, the pattern on Lilo's dress. That one's really cool. Looks like the tree is probably the same in all of these. So it's a good way to get started. Winnie the Pooh and Stitch. So let's get to box 2. Let's see what we get in pin 3. We see something different hanging off of the side. Maybe a long skinny ear. Who that would be? It's Goofy. That's who it would be. So we have Goofy. He's in a green outfit with a red scarf, and he has his green hat, and he has a piece of holly over his left ear there. Nice. All right. Pin 4 is, it looks kind of plain from the back, and it is Donald Duck. So we have Donald in a blue outfit with a blue scarf. He also has a holly on his left ear too, and of course, with Donald, he looks very upset about the whole thing. He's like, why am I wearing this scarf covering my face? I don't like this. That's what's always good about having Donald on pin designs. He's great. Okay, so here we go. We're into box number 3. Let's see who we get. Very plain from the back. And it is a duplicate. It is another Winnie the Pooh. So now we know Winnie the Pooh is pretty plain on the back. Ooh, are we going to avoid a duplicate box here? Is this going to be another Stitch? I can actually feel it through the wrapper. I didn't feel any big ears, so I don't think it's Stitch. It's not Stitch, but I do recognize another piece, so I think it is Goofy. So we have got 2 duplicates there. All right, so this is what, 8-pin collection, so we can still complete it, but no more doubles. No more doubles. We can't afford any more doubles. All right. So box 4. Let's see who we get. Come on, like Mickey or Minnie or somebody. Ooh, okay. This one looks a little different. I see a big round ear coming out of the side. So it is Mickey. So Mickey has a red jacket. He has a blue scarf. And he has like a sorcerer's apprentice hat on with holly on his right ear. All right, so we got Mickey. So let's see if we can get Minnie. That'd be great, having a box with Mickey and Minnie. Okay, well, I do see a similar ear So it is Minnie. I was thinking, could it be two Mickeys? Boy, I would hope not. So we have Minnie Mouse here. She's got a red polka dotted dress on with a red scarf, and then she has her red bow on her hat. Okay, so we have 6 out of the 8, 1 box remaining. Ooh, let's see what we get. Who are we missing? We are missing Pluto and Daisy. So those are the 2 we need. 2 we're looking for here. So let's see what we get. For this one, oh, it is not Pluto or Daisy, it is Stitch. So we have another Stitch. Okay, let's see if we can avoid the duplicate box. We don't want Winnie the Pooh. No Winnie the Pooh on this one. It's not, and I haven't seen this one before. It is Pluto! Awesome! So Pluto's wearing a red coat. He has a blue scarf, and he has a white and blue hat. And one of his ears is sticking way up. That's what I saw from the back. And he has some holly on his left ear. So there we go. We got 7 out of the 8. All right, I like it. So those were the Disney Winter Gnomes mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this collection. I love these pins. They are super cute designs. I tried to pick a favorite here, and it was either between Winnie the Pooh, because I loved the honey on his head with the bees flying around it. And then I also love Donald Duck because I like that look on his face where he is not happy with this situation. So this was a great unboxing for me, getting 7 out of the 8. So I am only missing 1, and the pin design I'm missing is Daisy. So once I find Daisy, I'll have this collection complete. And I do have another box to open up. I did save one for Instagram, so I'll do a short reel on Instagram, and maybe Daisy will be in that one. We'll see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.